on April 18th, sanctioned Belarus lost the McDonald's franchise. But not all is lost. Actually, partners came in and took over, and they pretty much keep everything the same. You know, the decor, the colors. The only thing they changed was the name. They changed it to MAK.BY, and I'm guessing, I don't know for sure, but MAK is short for McDonald's. BY is the abbreviation for Belarus. So what we'll do is we'll go in. They have kiosks, so I'll go to the English version of the kiosk. We'll go through the menu. I'll order a cheeseburger, and then we'll sit down and do a taste test. And I'll let you know how it is. Let's go. All right, let's get in here. Alright, here we go. Got a kiosk. It's free. Okay, let's go through this menu. So it looks like they got English. We're going to say dine in. We're going to pay at the counter. Okay. So we'll go through this menu. So let's go through the burgers. Burgers, you got burgers with beef. This would be a quarter pounder with cheese, or a cheeseburger, or a double cheeseburger. And burgers with chicken, it's just a chicken burger. Burgers with fish, that would be a fish fillet. So far, the only thing that's missing is a Big Mac. And you got fries, yep, small, medium, and large, yep. Desserts, you got the shakes, you got the ice cream or soft serve. Only thing different is people don't know it, but in the U.S. it's only called shakes because there's no milk in the shake at all, so they can't say milkshake. So this is a change right here. You got, okay, let's go over the drinks. Looks like Coca Cola has stayed with the new franchise. They got juice.
Excuse me?
Yes.
Can I help you?
No, I'm doing a channel.
Oh, okay.
Just on MAK.BY. The changes. So can you tell me what the changes are?
We have our Belarusian ingredient in hamburger. When we was McDonald's, we have European.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So the only thing missing is the Big Mac, right? But everything else is the same?
Yeah.
Now, what about do you get the meat from the same place? And do you get all the ingredients? They're the same?
The same ingredients.
The buns, the meat,
Yeah.
everything.
Everything.
Ah.
But Belarusian and Russian.
Oh, okay. Oh, and Russian. Okay. Well, I know Russia, McDonald's left last year. And then April 18th, they left Belarus, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. In Russia, they вкусная точка, but we are MAK.BY. It's our brand.
Yes, MAK.BY.
Yeah.
Now, tell me, does MAK, is that short for McDonald's?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I figured it was. Okay, well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right. I'm going to go ahead and order.
Okay.
All right. All right. Okay. Well, that turned out all right. Okay. All right. So now we've got the chicken McNuggets. So it sounds like everything's the same, except missing the Big Mac. All the ingredients are the same. So I'm going to go ahead and have a voucher. Nope, I don't. I'm going to cancel this. Cancel the order. Okay. All right. Proceed to payment. All right. Okay. So a cheeseburger was $2.90. Okay, I went to go pay for the cheeseburger and I didn't bring any cards on me. I thought I could pay with Apple Pay. And I have no rubles on me. So, not able to buy a cheeseburger and do a taste test. But you heard the guy. All the ingredients are the same. The buns, the meat, the condiments, everything's the same. They get it from the same supplier. So, anyways, there you go. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, ciao.